So if you ever wondered what it looks like underneath the actual, we call it J-wrap, some people call it J-metal. What's basically underneath there is there's a little bit of flashing from the floor. So as you can see, if anything leaks past this, it's going to run right in and go into the floor line. They use a little bit of Darko paper on here to wrap it. This is what we refer to as the Z-lock. And usually these are stapled in place. This one doesn't have any staples, and it only had 3 screws. So the only thing other than that was holding it in place was the slide out backing and the wiper seal on the other side. Typically, we like to see screws in the end. Again, sometimes these aren't uniform. We usually like to see them like every 6 to 12 inches across. So, you know, when the wind is flapping on that J-metal, other than a hanger that was below, it could actually cause damage. This could actually rip off. Once this sealant separates, this will allow water now to go completely back through it, catch into this area, and go absorb into the floor, the decking underneath. So when the guys get ready to do this, I'll ask them to do our thing, which usually means make it a little bit better. Same thing with the slide out. You know, when they wrap the flanges underneath here, you can see how it's 2 pieces that they've just butted up. Sometimes those separate, like it's starting to do here, and that's just the sticky tape. So when that sticky tape is applied underneath the bottom down there, you know, this is basically your T-molding, and they've used a little bit of padded seal to it. And then again, you know, water comes through the top, gets trapped up underneath there. It can come through and soak into the bottom of the floor. At least, you know, on this particular coach, Grand Design does a good job of adding that cap tape to it. A lot of manufacturers don't, so that's when you see like the slide out floors getting rotten all the time. It's because of that issue.